It is a kitty cat. Hello, kitty. I got my nails done, manicure, yesterday. No, you're not going outside. So, hey everybody, what's up? As you can see, I'm outside enjoying the weather today. It's a Friday, and I love Fridays. But the thing is, it's not like that going outside and stuff. Whatever. I'm hungry. Sorry to say that. But do you guys have any like good series that I could read, suggestions, anything? Because I just finished a bunch of new series I just read really quickly. They were so good. So good. Really. Yeah. It's kind of dark out, but it's not even like, it's about, I don't know, 4:30 maybe. Kitty. Now, get in the house, you. Alright, so, I guess that's it. Bye.